question is, find the equation of a line joining this and point of intersection of this and this. So what we require to do, we have to find out equation of a line joining point. One point is given, 1 minus 3, and the point of intersection of the lines is given. So point of intersection of line is given in a different way. Instead of point, two lines are given. So what we require to do, solve that two equation, find out value of x and y, that becomes your point of intersection, that becomes your one point, and one another point is already given in the question. So once we have 2 points, solve, find out the equation by using 2 points. So first step, find out the intersecting point. So intersecting point by the line, intersecting point. What is intersecting point? If there are two lines, then this point is known as the intersecting point. So if we have an equation of two lines, solving that two, we get this point. So our equation 1 is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us say equation 1. Second equation is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, equation 2. Now the question is how to solve this two equation. So we have to use method of elimination. Either you can compare coefficient of x or coefficient of y. See here, in coefficient of y in both the equation is same. So let us write 3x plus y minus y equal to 0 as a first equation, and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the second equation. Change the sign of second equation. So this plus y minus y will cancel. 3x minus x we get 2x, and this is minus 5 minus 1. So we get minus 6. So we get 2x equal to 6. So we can say that x equal to 3. So one coordinate is 3. Now put this value of x in equation 1 or in equation 2. So from 1 let us put x equal to 3. So we get 3 plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we get y plus 4 equal to 0. So we get y equal to minus 4. So another coordinate y is minus 4. So the point is, intersecting point is, therefore point, intersecting point is 3 minus 4. So this is one point, and here it is clearly given that find the equation of a line joining this point and intersecting point. Now intersecting point is known. That means now we have a 2 point. One point is what? 1 minus 3. You can consider this is your first point or second point. Answer remains same. So now equation of a line passing through 2 point. Equation of a line passing through passing through 2 points. A, let us consider this is your first point, 1 minus 3, and you can consider this is your second point, 3 minus 4, as B. So which formula we have to use for this question or this situation? What is the formula? Which formula we have to use when we have 2 points? Tell me the formula. When 2 points are given, this is,
y
you can,
minus y
yes,
minus y1
hmm,
upon x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2.
correct. You can consider this is your x1 y1 and this one is x2 y2. And now substitute values. Tell me the answer.
Y minus minus 3 is y plus 3
Upon
x minus 1 is
1
equal
equal
to minus 3 minus 4 minus 4
minus
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 3 plus 4.
Yes.
and 1 minus 3.
So we get here 1, here we get minus 2. Cross multiply and tell me the next step.
Minus minus 2y plus minus 6 x
Equal to,
minus 1. 1.
okay, take this minus 2y and minus 6 in another side. So what we
X
get?
plus 2y plus 5.
Yes. So x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. This is our final answer. X plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. That is our final answer. Okay. Anything else?
And question number 20, sir.
Question number
20.
20. It's almost same like this. See, find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of this and this. So now are you able to solve this two equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and slope is given. That means which value is given? M is given. So which formula we have to use?
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Okay, one point is available means x1, y1 you will get from this.
Hmm.
And slope is already given. M is given. Substitute you will get the answer. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything else?
No.
Okay, now let us continue. See, question number 16. Find the equation of a line passing through minus 2, 3. So one point is given and parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Now, to solve that question, we require the idea about one result. Let us discuss two results. First, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Then their slopes are equal. So if we have two lines and if they are parallel, then their slopes are equal. That means m1 equal to m2. Means m1 is what? Slope of parallel lines. It's like this. So if the slope of this is, let us say, first line, this is second line. So if the slope of line is, let us say, 5, then slope of line 2 should be 5. If slope of line 1 is minus 3 by 4, then slope of another line is also minus 3 by 4. So m1 equal to m2, that means slope of line 1 equal to slope of line 2 if two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Second, if two lines are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. Their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. That is m1 equal to minus 1 upon m2 or m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1. That is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So if two lines are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. Means like this. This is line 1, L1. This is another line which is perpendicular, L2. So if slope of L1 equal to, let us say, 3 by 5, then slope of L2 is minus 5 by 3. Okay, tell me, if slope of L1 is minus 2 by 7, what is slope of L2?
7 by 2.
7 by 2. If slope of L1 is minus 2, what is slope of L2?
1 upon 2.
1 upon. If slope of L1 is -1, then
1.
+1. Correct. So, if we know this result, then we are able to solve this question number 16, then question number 19, question number 21, 22 very easily. Let us solve. Let us start. Question number 16. Find the equation of a line passing through the point -2, 3. So one point is given -2, 3 and parallel to the line joining this and this. So parallel to the line joining this and this. So first of all, let us find out slope of a line passing through these 2 points. So 16. Slope of a line passing through 2 points. Slope of a line passing through one point is given 1 7, second one is -2 -5. So what is slope? M equal to which formula we have to use here?
Y minus y2 upon x1 minus x2.
Y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. You can consider this is your x1 y1, this one is your x2 y2. Okay, tell me the answer.
7 plus 5
Upon
upon 1 plus 2. 12 upon 3.
therefore slope of its parallel line equal to
4.
4 because parallel line having same slope. So now once slope is given, one thing slope is given. Now so see the question. Find the equation of a line passing through -2, 3 and slope this slope 4. So equation of a line passing through which point? -2, 3 with slope 4 is which formula we have to use here?
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Now consider this one is your x1 y1 and tell me the answer.
Y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x plus 2.
Correct. So what is the final answer?
4x plus 2, 8.
Now take y and -3 on another side. So the final answer
4a,
is
4x minus y plus 5. Sorry, plus 3 is equal to 8, 11.
yes, 8 plus 3 is a 11.
11.
So the final answer is 4x minus y plus 11 equal to 0. This is the answer for question number 16. Now see question number 19. Find the equation of a line parallel
સર
to this. Yes,
આપણે કર્યું પહેલા.
19?
હા યસ સર પહેલા મેં હતી ને એમાં ક્વેરી હતી એટલે પહેલા કર્યું ને.
No, no. We done 18. We did 18.
ઓ ઓકે સર ઓકે.
Let us do 19. Now see 19. Find the equation of a line parallel to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passing from 2 minus 3. Now in this question, one point is given 2 minus 3 and it is given that one another line is there which is parallel to this line. So let us find out first of all slope of this line. Slope of line is what? X minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now how to find out slope? Tell me.
Take y another side.
Yes. So x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So we can say that 2y equal to, if we take 2y on the other side, we get x plus
X
3.
plus 3.
And now divide it by 2. So what is slope?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. Therefore, slope of its parallel line?
1 upon 2.
Correct. So now one thing is given slope 1 upon 2. So now find the equation of a line parallel to this. That means now we know the slope and passing through 2 minus 3. So equation of a line where point is given 2 minus 3 and slope m is given 1 by 2. Point is given 2 minus 3 and slope is given 1 by 2. So use the formula. Which formula we have to use?
Y minus y1 is equal to m x into x1.
So what we
And
get y?
x
Yeah, you can consider this is your x1 y1. Yes, then
x plus 3
y
is
plus,
equal to y plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 x minus 2.
yes, take 2 in another side.
2y plus 6 is equal to x minus 2.
So what is your final answer?
X minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0.
X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is our final answer. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is our final answer. Okay. Now see how to solve this question. Tell me. Find the equation of a line passing through the intersecting of this and this. So first of all, solve this two equation and find out the value of x and y. So you will get 1 point here. And once we have 1 point, then it is given that parallel to this. So tell me what we have to do. Solving this to we get 1 point, then
Mm.
parallel to this. So find out the slope of this. Use that slope and this point. You will get this equation. So consider this is your homework. Okay, now this 22. Find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of this and this. So solve this to equation. You will get 1 point. Then having slope is already given, so just you have to solve this two equation. We get 1 point and slope is given, so you are able to find out the answer. So consider this is also your homework. Okay, let us do this question number 23. Prove that the lines this and this are parallel. So how to prove this one? We want to prove these two lines are parallel. Question number 23. There are two lines, 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, line 1, and 12x plus 16y minus 7 equal to 0. It is second line. Now tell me how to find out, how to prove that they are parallel.
Finding slope and intersection.
Yes. No, only slope. Find out slope of these two lines. If they are equal, then we can say that they are parallel.
Mm.
So let us find out slope. So we get here 4y equal to
Minus 3x minus 2
divide by 4.
y is equal to minus 3x upon 4 minus 2
So what is slope?
minus
M,
3 upon 4
correct. Slope m1 equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, here you can write 16y equal to,
minus
so y equal to minus 12x upon 16 plus 7 upon 16. So slope m2. What is m2 here?
minus 3 upon 4.
Correct.
Two
Minus 12 by 16, that means minus 3 upon 4.
4.
Here M1 equal to M2, therefore two lines are parallel. So it is very simple. Okay, let us do next one. Question number 24. What is the question? A line passing through the point of intersection of this and this. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to solve these two equations so we get one point. And is parallel to the line joining the points this and this. So what we have to do? We have to find out slope of these 2 points. Slope by using these 2 points. So we know the formula to find out slope once we have 2 points. So by using these 2 points, you will get slope. And by using these two equations, you will get 1 point. And once we have 1 point and slope, it is possible to find out the equation. Are you able to solve this one by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us consider this as a homework. Okay, 25 first. See the question. The line joining the points K3 and minus 2, 1 is parallel to the line joining this and this. Find the value of K. The line joining 2 points. So 2 points are given. One is K3 and minus 2, 1. So by using these 2 points, we get one slope, and other 2 points are given minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2, sorry, and 1, 0. And it is given that both the line which passes from these 2 points are parallel. So what we have to do? Let us find out slope of this line, then slope of this line, and then we have to compare that to, equate that to, so we get the value. So tell me the formula here.
Y minus 2.
Tell me the values.
3 minus 1
Upon,
upon k minus plus 2. K plus 2.
so we get 2 upon k plus 2 over. Now for
Yes.
this, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, and tell me the answer.
2 minus 0.
Upon,
Minus 3 minus 3 minus 1.
so what we get?
2 upon minus 4.
Correct. So let us say this is our equation 1, this is equation 2. Lines are parallel. It is given that. It is given in the question. Therefore, 2 upon k plus 2 equal to 2 upon minus 4. Cross multiply and tell me the answer.
Minus 8 is equal to 2k plus 4.
Take 4 in another side.
2k is equal to minus 12. K is equal to 6. Minus 6.
So this is the answer, k equal to minus 6. Okay, question number 25 second. It's almost same like this. The line joining k minus 3, 0, 6, 6 is parallel to line joining this and this. Find the value of k, solve by yourself. Consider this as your homework. Okay, question number 26 first. What is the question? Prove that the lines this and this are perpendiculars to each other. So here now we have to prove they are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. Which two line? 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. And second line is 6x minus 8y plus 11 equal to 0. These are two lines and now we have to prove they are perpendicular. So what we have to do? Slope. How to find out slope?
Take y another side.
Correct. So 3y equal to minus 4x minus 2. So y equal to,
Minus 4 upon 3.
so slope m1 minus
Mi-
4 upon 3. Now here, take 8y on the other side. So what is slope?
6
m2.
upon 8.
That means 3 by 4.
4.
Here m1 into m2 equal to minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. So 3 will cancel, 4 will cancel, and we get minus 1. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. Therefore, two lines are perpendicular. So it is very simple. Now let us do this one. 26 seconds. What information we have? If the line joining 5k minus 1 and 2 minus 1 is perpendicular to the line joining 10 minus 1 and 0k, and we have to find out the value of k, but instead of parallel, perpendicular is given. So almost same. First of all, you have to find out m1, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, and tell me the answer.
K minus 1 minus plus 1
Upon,
upon 5 minus 2. K upon 3.
okay, here m2 equal to, tell me directly,
Minus 1 by k
minus of
upon
minus k.
10 upon 10 minus 0.
Two lines are perpendicular. Therefore, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Therefore, k upon 3 into minus 1 minus k upon 10 equal to minus 1. So here we get 30 minus 1 as it is. What we get in numerator?
10k minus 3 minus 3k.
No, no. See, multiplication is there. So no need to take LCM. Direct you can multiply. It's like 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 or 3 by 5. If it is like this, then you have to take LCM. But here you can write directly 6 upon 35. Directly. Here you have to take LCM 35. Here multiplication is there. Now tell me what we have to write in numerator.
Minus 1. No.
You cannot cancel this. You have to multiply k with this.
K minus k
Minus k
plus and minus k square.
minus k square. Correct. Now take this 13 on the other side. So tell me what we get. Minus
Minus
k minus k
minus k
square to
square in my
minus 30.
30
Multiply both the side by minus 1. Multiply both the side by minus 1. What do we get?
plus plus k square plus 30.
Correct. So take 13 on the side, k square plus k minus 30 equal to 0. Factorize 30, so we get 1. 6 5s are.
Mm.
Take k common. Take minus 5 common. So we get factors. Tell me the factors.
K minus 5, K plus 6.
So we can say that k plus 6 equal to 0 or k minus 5 equal to 0. So we can say that k equal to either minus 6 or k equal to 5. So there are two possible answers, minus 6 or 5. 5 or minus 6. That is the answer for question number 26 second one. Okay, try to find out the answer for question number 27, 28, 29, 30. We will start with question number 31 in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. If you have any question in this lecture, you can ask your doubt.